Great idea. You've probably read the title and you're thinking, whoa, you've got to have some safety precautions for that. It's okay. I've got my safety tie. Let's go and destroy my tumble dryer. So what we're going to do is basically put some heavy stuff in there and watch it spin out of control. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're just getting ready to start throwing some things in it, and actually I'm just going to look out some things. Start off with that. Oh yes. And then we'll go to this one. What? But then we'll go to this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bastard. Should be good. Okay, that one. Here we go. 70 minutes. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. That's oh, it's dried it. Just do it. Not gonna turn it. I don't know if it will. Nah. Ah. That's gonna be the problem. That is the problem. Oh, it's thinking about it. Come on. Come on, baby. Nah, it's too heavy. It's too heavy. That's why it's not gonna work. Wait a second. Right, so I just went inside and cranked up the voltage, so now we're going to try it one more time and see if it works. Oh. I'm scared about opening that door in case it's still unburned. I told you! Look at it! Oh wow. Turns out those rocks were really flammable. Stay away from rocks, folks, they're dangerous. It's still glowing down there. Glowing? Shit, so don't put rocks in your tumble dryer, folks. Moral of the story. And until next time, take it easy. Mackay.